everyone, it's Julia Elise. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hey, what's up? My name is Julia Elise. It's so very nice to meet you. If you'd like to take a moment and hit that red subscribe button, I'd greatly appreciate that. I post new videos every week and I love my family here on the internet, so if you want to be a part of that, you know what to do. Okay guys, so before I get into introducing today's video, I just want to point out that I actually got a new camera lens, so I'm really excited about it, but if things don't look perfect right away, I'm still getting to know my lens. It takes a while for me to get to know my camera equipment. I don't consider myself to be super tech savvy, so bear with me if there are any technical difficulties throughout this video. So today I am doing a huge, gigantic Ross try-on haul, and I hit the clearance once again this year at Ross. Last year I posted a huge Ross clearance haul, and I got a lot of comments on that video that people said I was lying about the prices. Like, first of all, now I'm not gonna go ahead and do like proof of pricing for everything because I just think that's so counterintuitive. Like, you guys need to trust me, but I did show you guys a couple of the price tags. I'm not exaggerating these deals. I would never lie to you guys, so I just wanted to make that clear. I'm not gonna show you the price tags for all of them, but for some of them I will show you just to, you know, shush the haters. I'm here back again to show you guys I'm not a liar, I'm just an awesome shopper. So I got a ton of brand name pieces for under $5, just absolutely outstanding deals. Like, I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. So without further ado, let's dig on into this haul. So first I got this gorgeous white dress. It is by the brand 9 West, and I got this dress for $6.49. Now it is so gorgeous. It goes, it's kind of like a fit and flare. It has really cute little mesh detail on the side, and it just goes down into like a little skirt. I really have trouble describing dresses, but I absolutely love the neckline, and I have some really exciting news for you guys. I actually need to do like a life update, but I am graduating college next month. Like, what? So I thought maybe I could wear this dress to graduation, but I think this looks so gorgeous on both me and my mom, and for $6.49. You really can't beat it. I think that's an absolutely amazing deal for 9 West. I know those dresses are very expensive. Oh, and if you think that's a good deal, that's one of the most expensive pieces that I got in this whole haul. So next I got this really pretty business dress, and it's this really pretty like plum purple color with the gold detail like on the neck sort of area, and it just goes down and it's super fitted, but it looks so good on, I think. And I got this for $6.49 as well, and it's really nice material. This is by the brand Ivanka Trump. A lot of Ivanka Trump stuff was on sale. I don't know if it's for political reasons whatsoever. I don't know. We're not gonna go there today, but this dress, it's gorgeous and I couldn't pass it up. And you know what? I'm about to be a grown-up who needs to wear business dresses, so here we are. Okay, so I got a lot of red in this haul. I'm not sure why. I'm typically not a red person, but got a lot of red. So I got this really cute sweater dress. It is so soft and it just goes down. It's super fitted. Not typically my style, but I think it could be really chic with like some boots next winter. And this just shouted Christmas to me, and I know guys, like, I'm probably the only person that's thinking about Christmas in April, but is it May? Is it April? I don't even know. In the brand Spence Petite, and I got this for $2.99, which I think is so amazing. Like, should I show you guys more red? I'll show you guys more red. So I got another red dress, and this is also a fit and flare style. So it looks like this. It has really cute buttons on the shoulders, and then it just kind of like gets tight at the waist and flares. And it's by the brand Tommy Hilfiger, which is like all the rage right now, so I was really excited to hear that this was on sale. Now, one of the buttons, like, I don't know if you can tell, but one of the shoulders is actually not attached. It's not noticeable at all, like it just sits on your shoulder, so it doesn't matter, but I ended up getting more money off of this dress because it was damaged. So it was initially $5.99 and I got it, I think, for like $4. So Tommy Hilfiger dress, again, could wear it to work, could wear it to like a bridal shower, anything like that. So I thought that was so nice, and Tommy Hilfiger for under $5, like, kind of on the red trend, I actually got a prom dress for so stinking cheap. So it is this gorgeous maroon prom dress, and it has like mesh shoulders, and it's lace, and it just goes down into a gown, and it has this really pretty sparkle belt. Obviously I'm not going to prom, so I'm gonna definitely figure out what to do with this. I might just find somebody to give it to who is like not financially able to purchase a prom dress, or just do it as a giveaway for you guys. So let me know what you guys think I should do with this, but I just could not pass it up. It was $3.99. Like, that's such an amazing deal, and I just thought it was really amazing that you can get a prom dress for $3.99 and it's brand new. It's not even thrifted, so thought that was amazing. And this is in the brand In Focus Studio. Never heard of it, but thought it was really, really adorable. This next dress I got just kind of for fun, also kind of thinking of like the holiday season that's very, very many months away, but you know what? So I got this velvet dress. It's kind of hard to see off, but it's super, super strappy. Like, there's a bunch of strappage going on, but when I saw it off, I was like, I'm gonna try this on, and I ended up loving it. That dress is really dusty. This is in the brand Popular Basics, and I got this for $1.99. $1.99. Here is some proof of pricing for you guys. So this next dress, okay, it's the same dress as the plum colored one. Actually, it's not the same, but it's very similar. It has the exact same silhouette. The only difference is the gold detail is like a little bit different, but it's in red, and this is actually a size bigger than the plum size dress, but they both fit me perfect, so I just found that really, really interesting, and it just kind of goes to show that size means nothing in clothes. Yeah, this is by the brand Ivanka Trump as well, and I got this one for $3.49, so this one was cheaper, a size bigger and about $3 cheaper. So things are so weirdly priced. Like, pricing to me will never make sense. But the next dress is so fun, and I'm definitely gonna bring it to my future sister-in-law's bachelorette party. I just think it's like the perfect bachelorette party dress. This really pretty royal blue dress, and it has like 2 straps on the shoulders, and then it goes off the shoulder like a little flounce, and then it just goes down. It's kind of like a midi dress, which I think is really adorable. And the only thing I don't love about it is the gold zipper down the back. I think it makes it look a little bit cheap, but for the price, once I tell you, you'll be like, oh, okay. So I got this in the brand Oat. Is it Haute or Oat? Please comment down below. Oatmund. And I got this for $2.99. So I really don't have a lot this color, and I think it is very pretty, so really exciting. So here is this gorgeous maxi dress I found. So again, it's got the off the shoulder top. It goes off your shoulders and then it goes down. It's black, and it has this really pretty floral print on the bottom. It is so cute, and it's like the scuba material, so it's really soft. It doesn't wrinkle. This is like the perfect vacation dress. I'm actually contemplating wearing this to my sister-in-law's bridal shower on Sunday, so we'll see. Stay tuned on Instagram to see if that ends up happening. But yeah, I absolutely love this dress. It came with this really ugly coral belt, but I removed it because it looked so tacky. But I absolutely love this dress for $3.49. That's just amazing. I got this dress. It actually looks very similar to the last one I just showed you, but again, it's kind of a cross between like a party dress and a business dress. It has this really pretty floral pattern, and it's the same material. It's like that scuba, and it goes down to a midi dress, and this is in the brand In Focus Studio, and I got this for $3.49. There you go. Yeah, I'm not in love with this pattern. It's not typically something I would like go for, but the style just really suited me in my opinion. Ooh, God. What are you doing? You guys will be happy to know that I am done with dresses, so I'm just going to show you a couple miscellaneous items I picked up, and then we're done, don't you worry. So I got this navy blue business skirt. I saw it in the women's department. I'm like, that is so nice, and it's just this navy blue skirt. Really nothing to say about it. It's tight, but not too tight. Like, I could wear it to like a business meeting or something, and this is in the brand ABN. I've never heard of it, but this was a stupid good deal. I got this for 99 cents. This is such a staple business piece, and it was under $1, which is just like, it's unreal to me. I don't understand how things can be that good of a deal, but for some reason I hit the sale on the best possible day. and I got that amazing deal. So I think I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of that as well. So next I got this like little flannel, and I wish that I had found this earlier. Like I've been hanging on to these clothing items for a while and I totally forgot about this. This would have been perfect for those cold March months, but maybe I can still sport it for a little bit longer. It's just this really cute navy and maroon flannel, and my favorite part is the arms are so cute. Like I love these little elbow pads. I think that's really in right now. I've seen a lot of that at like J. Crew. This was 99 cents as well. Like, even if I wore it for 5 minutes and I donated it, at least somebody is getting use of this, and it's really nice. So this is in the brand Cavallini. I think I've heard of that before. So the final thing I wanted to show you guys is this pink sports bra, and I'm really excited about this. I thought this was a super good find. This is in the brand Puma, which I'm sure you guys have all heard of, and I got this for $2.49, and it fits like a dream. This bright of a color is maybe not something I would typically go for, but it is fun to branch out and like workout gear. It's not that serious, so thought this was super cute. And I know Puma is like kind of coming back in style. I'm not gonna say it is because I don't know, but I know Puma has resurfaced recently, so I think that will be really awesome. Well, okay you guys, so that is it for my Ross clearance try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed shopping and filming. Now I got a couple requests to do a Ross shop with me and haul. However, I've had these items for a really long time, so that is even before I saw that comment. So just stay tuned because I will be doing a Ross shop with me video soon per y'all's request. So thank you again so much for watching, and if you're not already subscribed at this time, it would be a really great time to subscribe. If you sat through the whole video, you might as well stick around, because if you can stand 10 minutes of me, then you can stand me to be a part of this family. Also, go check out my vlog channel. It's more of a personal channel where I post day-to-day videos of my life. Also, if you wish to see some of these clothing items in action, go check out my social media accounts, specifically Instagram. I'm the most active on Instagram. I've been working on my theme. It's looking pretty good, so go give me a follow over there if you're interested in seeing my day-to-day life outside of YouTube. I love y'all so much, and I hope you guys have a great day, an even better week, and I'll catch up with y'all later. And
hey guys, it's Julia.
I'm dying.
Is this crooked?
Oh my word.
This is one of my worst ideas, but I'm doing it